Adding tax rates to menu items helps you adhere to legal requirements, ensures accurate pricing and financial reporting, and provides transparency to your customers. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the seamless process of adding tax to your menu items in your Sapaad POS. Let's dive in. Begin by navigating to Setup, then to Location Setup. Choose the specific location where you wish to add tax to your menu items. Click on Menu Management and then select Tax Rates. Toggle the button to enable tax rate for items. Proceed to add a tax rate by clicking the Add Tax Rate button. Complete the tax rate details. Start by entering a name for this tax, such as Goods and Sales Tax. Then, input the tax rate, 9%. You can also set this tax as default by ticking Set as Default. This is useful for applying the tax rate to all menu items at once. Click Save. If you would like to apply this tax rate for all items in this location, proceed by clicking Yes. Finally, return to Setup. Go to Menu Setup and select Refresh POS and Online Menu to synchronize and update your changes. Make sure you sync your changes as well if your menu is linked to Sapaad Online. To sync your Sapaad Online store settings, visit Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then Sapaad Online Settings. Go to the Synchronize tab and click on Save to update your changes. If your menu item prices already cover taxes, please contact support@sapaad.com to enable the Tax Inclusive in Item Price feature. And there you have it. You just learned how simple it is to add a tax rate to a menu item in Sapaad POS. Check out our video on configuring multiple tax to an item in Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.